Good morning, my dear students. Now I will explain the next topic, teachings of Prophet Muhammad. This is 5 marks question. Teaching of Prophet Muhammad. Teaching of Prophet Muhammad. In the last class, I told that Islam religion, Prophet Muhammad, he was preached Islam. Prophet Muhammad, he was preached which religion? Islam religion. That means, what is the meaning of Islam? Means submission to God Allah. What is the meaning of Islam? Means submission to God Allah. There is a wide meaning. What is the term of Islam? Means they preach truthful, faithful, and to have a good contact. The broad, it was the wide meaning of the Islam. What is the wide meaning of the Islam? Means it was a truthful, be faithful, and to have a good contact. Totally, Islam means peace, to maintain the peace. Islam ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಶಾಂತಿ ಎಂದರ್ಥ. So what is the main holy book of the Islam? Means Quran. In the last class I told that Quran is the holy book of the Islam. What the Prophet Muhammad he was preached, in that verse they are maintained the book of Quran. ಕುರಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನೇನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಆ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು this religion they preached a equality, not slavery. All the peoples, ಈ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮದ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನರು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೀಚ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೇವರಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಲಾಮರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಡ್ ಬುಕ್. I told which is the sacred or the holy book of Islam is Quran. Koran, holy book. Quran or Quran, Quran is the holy book of the Islam. It is in Arabic language. So idu irodu Arabic language. Next, the true believer Islam has to perform the certain deities which might be called a pillars. The Islam religion was introduced the 5 pillars. 5 pillars or the principles of Islam. This is the 5 pillars or the principles of the Islam. They are called, what are the 5 pillars? Means Kalima, Namaz, Zakat, Roja and Hajj. Now one by one we go to study the what are the 5 pillars. What is the meaning of the 5 pillars? First one, Kalima. Kalima means it is a faith. It means a faith. He should purpose is the faith of God Allah, and he is a Messiah. Prophet, Prophet Muhammad is a prophet. Every Muslim was required to what they are preaching means there is no God but Allah. So Prophet Muhammad, what he was preaching means there is no God, there illa, only one is there, Allah. Everyone should surrender to him. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಟು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಗಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುರಾನ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೇತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಲಿಮಾ. ಕಲಿಮಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೇತ್, ನಂಬಿಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಮಾಜ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಮಾಜ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ನಮಾಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. Every Muslims has to pray 5 times a day at dawn. So how many times he was pray per day? Means one ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ they are pray 5 times. When they are prayed means they prayed shortly after midday, late afternoon and sunset and bedtime. Shortly after midday, late afternoon, and sunset and bedtime. There are the 5 times the Muslims, each Muslims way prayer to Allah. And every Friday, one has to got a mosque of a prayer is listened to the discussion on Quran. Every Friday they are go to mosque. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನು ಮಸೀದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, they do the prayer in mosque. Listen to the discussion of Quran. Prayer is the best method of the please God, and sitting is a sense a paradigm. Next to Zakat, third one. What is the meaning of Zakat? Zakat, it is give alms to poor. Zakat, it is to give alms to the poor. Alms giving is another duty of the every Muslim. One should be honest and sincere. Each Muslim, every Muslim should have honest and sincere. He has to give 2.5% of the income is a charity of the promotion to religion and help to the poor. What he got the profit, in that profit 2.5% they will give to the income for the charity, or what the promoted in the ರಿಲಿಜನ್. ತಾವು ಏನು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2.5 ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಂಚಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ prohibits beginning as the profession. It was the profession of Islam. And fourth one, roza. What is the meaning of roza? Means fasting. Roza ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೇನು, ಉಪವಾಸ ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ರಂಜಾನ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ರಂಜಾನ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪವಾಸ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 29 or 30 days from morning to dark. Fasting bring in a purity of heart. So how they are doing the fast means, in the morning, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ they are doing the fasting. How many days they are doing the fasting means 29 to 30 days. Fasting bring to us a door of Allah's places and alms given to let us in. And Hajj. Hajj means it was a pilgrim of Mecca. So it's a true Muslim should be undertake the pilgrim to the holy city of Mecca. Least once again it was visited. Each Muslim they are visited a Hajj. That means Hajj means travel. So it was a Mecca. What is that? Mecca means door to Mecca is open from, when they are open to the Mecca means it is open from October to December. Millions of pilgrims come from all over the world. So Mecca is the holy place of the Muslims. All the Muslims throughout the world, all the Muslims they came to visit the Mecca. When Prophet Muhammad prohibited the ideal worship at Kaaba, what we saw the Mecca means, we saw the Mecca at Kaaba. Kaaba, it is in Mecca. It's a black, like a black stone, became a holy prayer hall to Muslim. Next, main principles. What are the? This is the 4 pillars. And what are the principles of Islam? What the Prophet Muhammad he was preached. First one, the Prophet says, nobody is a senior in the world. Nobody. This is the 5 marks question. What are the main principles of the Islam? Means the Prophet said that nobody is a senior in the world, and the world one have shown a good and bad to the universe. God Allah would reward to place in heaven to those who are faithful to their family, society, friends and Islam. God Allah would punish to senior by the sending them to hell. Second point, Prophet prohibited. What he was prohibited means, he was prohibited the gambling, drinking and adultery and us to a poor. So ಅವರು ಏನೇನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಜೂಜಾಡೋದನ್ನು, ಕುಡಿಯೋದನ್ನು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೋರ್ಕ್, ಹಂದಿ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, Islam combined itself some of the best decorated principles such as equality and universally brotherhood. What he was teaching in the world, their main principles, they are teaching that the equality, universal and brotherhood. Fourth point, Quran advocated other important moral values like what are the moral values of this myth? They preached the moral values of the Quran: respect for women, parents, and kindness to slaves and animals. First, you give respect for women, parents, and kindness to slave and animals. Fifth one, Quran advocated respect to teachers. What they advocated means you should give respect for your teacher and elders, protection for orphans, ಅನಾಥರನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, polygamy, divorce and a widow, a remarriage and a permitted. You give a permission for the remarriage, divorce cases, widow remarriages and polygamy. These are the main principles of the Islam. Last 2 marks question, what are the main 2 sects of the Islam? ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮದ ಪಂಥಗಳು ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ 2 sects of the Islam, the Sunnis and Shias. Who are the Sunnis? They maintain the Abu Bakr, Omar and Uthman were a legislative successor of the Prophet Muhammad. Who are the Shias means who believed that Ali and the son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad. They are divided into 2 parts. Who are there means the Sunnis and Shias. Thank you, my dear students.